How to activate Milestone credit card. Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can activate your Milestone credit card. So let's get started with the video. First of all, open up any of your web browsers and here search for Milestone credit card login. And here tap on the first website. It will take you to the home page of Milestone and now you want to log into your account. For that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, then tap on My Account option. Enter all of your credentials and then tap on the Login option. Once you have logged into your account, you want to click on the option to activate your card. If you don't have an account, then you want to click on Register or Set up online access to create one. And you also need to provide your credit card information and some personal details to set up your account. Now, once you have activated your card, you will have to follow the prompts to enter the required information, which includes your card number, security code, and some personal identification details. After submitting the activation form, you will receive a confirmation that your card has been activated. So that is how you can activate Milestone credit card. Thank you for watching this video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.